I don't want to wait a week to get the back wheels on it. Starting the video off today by showing some love to a customer and a subscriber of the channel. He's got this new body style 2500, the High Country 2500 on a 9-inch. I want to say it was a 9-inch. I can't remember if it was 7, 8, or 9, somewhere around there. It's got to be a 9-inch if he's got 40s on it. Now the FTS kit, love the way FTS designs their 1500 and 2500 kit. Got the upgraded upper control arms. Normally FTS is going to sell their upper control arms with a 9-inch. I'm 99% sure that it is the 9, but got my man hooked up with some 20s and some 40-inch Gladiators, which is super cool. We just took off the 2414s and 38s. That beautiful KG1 Heathen wheel, black and milk. Absolutely love that. Can't remember exactly what he said for the the reasoning behind switching up the setup, but something a little bit different. Big old Bubba setup with the 40s and the 20s on the brand new High Country and the FTS. Freaking beautiful. Great way to start the video off today. I wanted to show y'all this too. We're like halfway through doing this build, and long story short, I had to come off the rack for a minute, but we're stock in the front, 6-inch lift in the back. Something kind of cool just to show you. I'll show you when it's done though. We've still got the old body style up here waiting on the 26s too. Got a whole gang up here today.
Great gang.
Jimmy, show me what you're working on. Show me some exclusive over here. Show me what you're working on.
The heat over here.
No,
Show me what you're working on.
we cannot show that on YouTube. What? No.
I like that hat. Flat bill.
Hey, look, the flat bill is Steez.
Yes, we're here.
With the Hawks shirt on.
#1 division right now.
Are they really?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, you didn't know that?
I did not know that, no.
Oh, okay.
NC State won this weekend, so I'm happy. I don't care. Got my boy Denali King up here in the cut today. One of the coolest things about my guy's truck is the color change in GMC logo. He did that himself, which is super cool. If you guys haven't seen the build video on this, it's on my channel somewhere. Did pretty good views. Got a 1418 body style GMC Denali, hence the name Denali King, with that chrome 9-inch FTS, the rock lights, the wheel lights. Shout out Kickback Legends. Always a goat up here, and this one's getting dropped off. Will be my obviously center point of the video. We got a 2022 or 21 Denali, not Denali, sorry, Duramax. That 3500 dually, getting a 12-inch Cognito and some 30-inch Forgiato wheels and the Furies. Freaking, I can't even get back there. Hold on. Killing me. That red's about to be freaking crazy though. You guys know I love red, so this one's gonna be freaking. Ooh, dude. Hold on. I gotta show you. Hold on. Look at the 42, 1350, 30. The 30's finna go crazy. The Forgiato. Look. The Forgies. 42s and 30s. This is gonna be insane. I'm so excited for this. You guys have no idea. With the red too. I don't really get to do red vehicles like this. Oh, this one's gonna be crazy. No, nothing? No?
Nothing what?
Thought you were gonna say something.
No.
What do you have to say, mate?
The old wheels look way better.
The old wheels look better?
I think so.
I
like that quad look.
I like both. I'm a fan of the chrome though. I like chrome. What up? I like chrome. What? Well, wait, hey, what's quote of the day from Leonard?
Quote of the day is nobody fucks with If y'all follow that shit, can't mess with you.
Whistling Diesel.
Where you at, Whistling Diesel? I got hit
Fucking Forgiato.
Yeah.
We told you they were 30s.
Right.
40.
You like it?
I like it.
But we're about to be riding, Mike. So I'll get we're about to look good. Yeah. Yeah, I ain't worried about them fucking touching. I'm worried about you riding.
I hope there's sensors in them.
Huh? Nah, I told me he had to change sensors last night.
It's got rubber.
What?
It's got what? It's got rubber sensors.
It ain't got. It's good, man. This shit ain't no good. Let that motherfucker bounce. Where you going, Mikey? Pulling out the truck. He held on to it when it fucking bounced. Grab a girl that big around? Hell no.
Go answer the phone! Yeah, you grab that. You better grab that fucking camera.
Whoa! Trash. Yeah, coming out here getting these real F's in the picture, huh? Right here, this is what you need to see. Got the small cap for y'all guys. Want to know? They can't rock the big cap like me. They ain't got a long.
I always forget that we have Forgiatos technically.
You don't got Forgiatos, buddy. You have fake Forgiatos, but mine were cut from a different mold than yours.
Exposed. That Cognito kit though. Where's the cross member at? You ain't pulled that out yet?
We don't have one.
You lying.
No, it's all the boxes, bro.
Probably in that box right there.
Bro, there is not 2 cross members in this box. I'm being for real.
You don't think so?
No. Mikey, stop!
What's up?
We got no cross members.
You know, cross members.
This is big problem.
It's simple.
Yeah, we're a small ass box with no cross members.
Fucking, what you call that ready to drop out?
Really?
Ready to drop out.
Oh, we're gonna keep rolling on it, but I just hold on to it.
No, these are control arms.
Oh boy. This is very big problem.
Yeah, them control arms looking
Yeah, they looking right.
looking good though.
Way fucking better than any McGoy's.
Nah, get out of here.
McGoy's.
Get out of here.
Bro, McGoy's ain't nothing but a rough
Get out of
cookie
here.
with a
No,
faceplate.
get out of here. Get out of
Rough
here.
cookie with a faceplate.
Get out of
And an
here.
adjustable strut. Max
Get
strap
outta
doesn't
here.
come up on the game on that shit.
For real, hey, for real though.
No crossing.
You're lying.
No, I'm not, dude.
You're lying.
No, I'm not, bro. Look, it's right there on the fucking table, man. I know where everything's at. I'm just getting y'all riled up.
Oh.
Mikey, you're good, dude.
True.
What's
I
up?
walk right by it too.
Hold that. Help me carry it.
All right.
Help me carry it, Alex. About time. Watch the springs, cause I didn't fail. All right, 1, 2, 3. Woo! You see how they package this shit? My boys don't do that.
Get out of here.
Woo! See that, buddy? Look at that. Look. Solid steel. The boys, fucking 2 pieces of fucking pot metal put together. This is a real man's lift right here. Whoa! Whoa! X Games mode!
I thought it'd be bigger than that.
X Games mode!
100% I thought it'd be bigger than that.
Yeah, that's what your lady said too. But I still proved her wrong.
I do like their cross member. That, hey, look. That rear cross member is huge though, compared to the front one.
Yeah.
How much bigger it is.
Big and black. I like them.
I do like their front cross member, I really do. That's gonna look really good. 30s and 42s. On my favorite color red, dually, the Chevy. LTZ.
No knockoff KG1s that claim they own the forgings, all this shit.
We about to, it's about to be real.
Best truck we ever built. About to be, y'all ain't sell the wheels and tires.
Hey, you might not be wrong.
I ain't
You
wrong.
might not be wrong.
Look, like I told my old lady and every girl I ever had in my life, I'm not always right, but I'm hardly ever wrong. And the sooner y'all figure that out, the easier life will be for everybody.
Easier it'll be.
Hey, when this motherfucker drops, I'm gonna tell y'all right now, y'all better be ready. Because this motherfucker is heavy. Hey, that's on mine. I got my side going to put you on.
How about that?
Kids, 4 motherfuckers.
Really, I mean, there was a cold day last week, but this just came out of nowhere. We got to run down the road and go pick up a truck from a shop. Not pick up a truck, but we got to drop off a truck down the road to get some exhaust work done on a lift kit that we're doing. And then we got to pick up the control arms for the old school Chevy that's back there for Mr. Rose Gold. Waiting for Jonathan to pull that truck out so we can ride out. There he goes. I don't know if any of y'all remember the video or may not have seen that video at all, but I can't drive this truck over about 50-55 miles an hour or the hood will come up. I don't have the hood latch connected right now, so I kind of have to be careful, because if I forget and drive too fast, the hood will fly up on me. And I actually had somebody offer some money on the truck, so I might have this truck sold within the next couple of days, maybe week if I get lucky, so I can't do anything to mess it up. I also currently don't have tag, registration, insurance, anything on this truck that I'm driving. So for the life of me, I really don't need to get caught riding around like this. But I mean, I'd rather just take this to go pick those parts up and pick him up than have to drive the silver truck. So it's kind of I need to drive it anyway to make sure everything's good if that guy's gonna come by it. Just kind of a behind the scenes of how wildly illegal I'm being right now on a Wednesday morning. Windshield wipers, or my turn signals work, my windshield wipers don't. Look at all the just stuff that's over here. How many vehicles are out there? Freaking crazy. Dooley's getting some 28s today. I've always been a big fan of the 450s. I've always been too much of a broke boy to ever have one myself though, so we got the KG ones in today. 28-inch Tridents, 10 lug going on the 450, super cool. And then we got some 38, 1350 28 Fury Country Hunter MT1s. MT1s are the GOAT. I don't think really anybody likes MT2s. MT1s are definitely the better of the two. It's gonna be super exciting to see this dually get finished up today. And I've been telling my guy his lift kit should be coming in within the next couple of days. This truck's getting a 9-inch FTS with a chrome cross member, and the lift kit's actually gonna be blue. So that's super exciting too. Oh no. Oh, hit me. That's workers' comp.
Stop pour out of it, Brandon?
I don't think so.
No.
I wish I could have seen 7 people.
Alex.
Yeah.
Find out who's gonna look good for the first week until my fucking gold. It looks good, but it's a badass flat.
No steps. Oh. Yeah, any tighter and those jeans would have been gone. I've 100% done that before in my own truck though.
What, had a blowout?
Yeah. You gotta start wearing jeans that are a little bit looser. On the dually, on the stocks. We're getting everything leveled out right now. We can put 42s and 30s on it soon. I think the lift kit with the faceplates turned out really nice. I thought we did more faceplates than that. Is it just the fronts, I guess? It must be just the front ones that we did. Me and Mikey were talking last night, and this truck should, once you put the 42s on it, will end up going up another 6 or 7 inches total. I mean, and it's already massive. Huge truck. It's probably going to need to be cut pretty good. 42s and 12 inch. Normally we do 40s and 16s. Guess we'll see how that goes. He said spikes.
Who's it hit?
That thing's huge.
Yeah.
That's gonna be freaking huge. Thanks so damn big. I wish it was wider. That's freaking huge. It looks so good though, it really does. It looks freaking amazing.
Hey, imagine being in and the camera guy, you're like the camera guy coming over the back, getting all in the and shit. Imagine being that guy.
Hey, hey,
job.
Look, all I'm saying is half the point of views now are this way. That's all you see now. Step out of the way.
Fucking Stone Cold Steve Austin, you and you're all the way right.
30 seconds. Just depends on what it is. So we finished up the 12 inch. We got 30 inch Forgiatos and 42 inch Furies going on this big boy. Cognito's got one of my favorite lift kits of all time. You know, obviously I'm a McGoy's fan, but if, you know, for 1500 to go bigger than 10 inches, Cognito's the way to go. We got the Cognito up control arms, dual reservoir Fox shocks in the front. We got the billet faceplates on the front, compression struts as well. Love that crossmember under there. It's super simple, but it's super beautiful in my opinion. And the 30 inch Forgiatos, you can't go wrong. But I'm gonna leave you with this today. We're waiting on a spacer, and I'm gonna be 100% honest, I don't wanna wait a week potentially to be able to finish this video for them to get the back wheels on it. So I'm gonna end it here. Part 2 coming soon. I love you guys. Hit the link in the description to join the giveaway or enter the giveaway. And if you want to check out the merch below, I appreciate you guys. Well, look, Matt's got the shirt on today too. But you know, I love you guys. Let's get this bread.